Want to know how much money you can make by mining Bitcoin? Not just guesses, we're talking real numbers based on your machine, electricity cost, and even the network's difficulty. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Phoenix Bitcoin mining calculator to find out exactly how profitable mining can be, step by step, whether you're a beginner or a pro. The first section of the calculator is called blockchain metrics. This is where you input 3 important values: network difficulty, block reward, and the Bitcoin price. You can choose a historical time range from 1 month to 2 years. Based on your selection, the calculator auto-fills the average network data from that period. We use past data because it reflects how the Bitcoin network actually behaves over time, adjusting naturally to changes like price and mining competition. The Bitcoin price is set to the current live price by default, but you can change it. Since mining is a long-term investment, you might want to set a higher price. In the miner performance section, you can select your mining machine from a drop-down list. Once you choose a model, the calculator will automatically fill in all its key specs. You can also adjust the number of mining machines you're using to see how scaling affects your overall profitability. If your miner isn't listed, you can switch to custom mode by entering the values manually. Entering either power consumption or power ratio is enough. The calculator will automatically calculate the other based on your hash rate. The next step is the mining expenses section. Here you'll tell the calculator about all the costs involved in running your mining operation. Start by entering your electricity cost per kilowatt hour. If you're hosting your miner at a facility, enter your monthly hosting fees here. Next, enter your mining pool's fee percentage. Pools usually charge a small percentage of your earnings for providing consistent mining rewards. Include shipping costs for delivering your miners to the hosting facility, plus any additional costs like setup, repairs, or maintenance. And if you're hosting your miners with Phoenix, there are no hidden fees. Just enter your electricity cost, and you're all set. Finally, remember, you can switch your currency between US dollars, UAE dirhams, or euros at the top, making sure all costs match your preferred currency. Now, let's see your results. The calculator instantly shows you the most important numbers you need. The first thing you'll see is a clear break-even chart, which visually shows exactly when your investment will start paying off. The point where the gray and orange line meets your break-even point, telling you precisely how many months it takes to recover your initial investment. Below the chart, you'll find 3 useful gauges. Bitcoin mining cost gauge indicates how much it costs you to mine a single Bitcoin. This helps you easily compare your costs to the current market price. And that's the real power of mining. You're always aiming to get Bitcoin cheaper than buying it directly on exchanges. Monthly Bitcoin earning gauge shows how much Bitcoin you'll earn each month with your current setup. Break-even point gauge reinforces your exact break-even time frame in a clear, easy-to-understand format. And finally, the summary table breaks down your earnings and costs into daily, monthly, and yearly figures. This table gives you a detailed overview, showing exactly how profitable your mining operation is over time, allowing you to make informed, strategic decisions. While this tool provides a highly realistic estimate based on historical data and your actual setup, future results may still vary due to market conditions.